came to Supreme Audio Stores. Yes. So I'm very happy to be here because I got so much of stuff here. Telugu and English, Hindi, all type of languages. I like rock. I like jazz. So and I like especially Shakira and Justin Bieber and Pitbull. And I like Bhakti Gita. So I really love to be here. And this is next to my house. My movie got big hit. It's huge hit. I'm very happy. I'm enjoying my hit. I'm taking 2 months break because I have to mold my body shape. So I'm very good now, but I have to mold a little bit more. So I'm happy. Thank you so much.